Hello, and welcome to this video on how to connect to a tutor on the Hazard campus for online tutoring from the Lee's College Campus Tutoring Center. So when you log onto the computer, you really don't even need to have this a web browser open. Just go down here to the search bar and type in Skype for Business. And you'll see that opens, that brings up Skype for Business 2016. So we want to double click that app to open that app, and it brings up a Skype for Business window where you will want to type in Laura Brashear. And so when you type in Laura Brashear, that brings up Laura Brashear from Hazard. She is actually Richard Ramsey's counterpart on the Hazard campus. If you double click her name right here, that brings up another window where you would then click this video call button and you would click on Start My Video. And that would actually get you connected to Laura. It would allow you to use the document camera to show a paper with your problem on it, or whatever you might be using, whatever tool you might be using, but this is how you would connect to Laura. If you have any questions, feel free to ask your math instructor that's providing this video to you. We just want to be able to get you some tutoring while Richard is not available to be in the tutoring center. Thank you. Bye-bye.